So account overview is just a top level view of all your campaigns and the main KPIs results. What are you mainly concerned about? Since this all being the lead generation campaigns, you see it can be anything, not necessarily leads. So if this campaign is about leads, the results will be the leads, 200 leads. So if this campaign is about traffic to the website, you would see like 500 and that will be traffic to the website. Reach, installation, same. Okay. No recommended solutions found, one task to complete. So same like in Google Ads, you must have seen overview. They just bring in quickly all the top level information or view of your accounts and campaigns. And we have already seen this. And then comes the reporting. Let me take a different account. Oh, the thousand. So I have picked an account that has data. Okay, so that we'll be able to understand it better. Okay, we were seeing this report, right? Ads reporting. Okay. So this is not serving you the information by the campaign name because we have picked account name. Yeah. So you can see reporting basically is helping you to read or learn about the data the way you want. So in case if you are more keen or interested to know at the top level what's happening with your account, you can simply come on to this section, come on to this filter section and click on account name. So account name is Garver PPF Application Studio, and you have the complete data here, amount spent, and I'll change the time period here to all time. This year maybe. Okay, so it is giving me data of five different ad accounts, but two accounts have spent, and hence it's showing data of the two accounts. So 32,000 amount spent here, 700 spent here, and look at this reach impressions. And if you want to see the results, So you can see which creative is also performing good, which creative is not performing good. There are no previews loaded for it. So from which age group you got the leads, more leads? You can look into that as well. 35 to 44, highest number of impressions. Okay, here I am seeing if I can share, change. Are you all getting an idea what is all this? So you can I'll go to the tab format. Okay. So you can read it from which age group you have got the highest number of leads. 35 to 44 you have got the highest number of leads. 45 to 54 second highest. Right? Gender. So in case if your client is very keen or interested in the data, reading this data, understanding this data, you can always come to this ads reporting section and you can read this data. Okay, right? There's so many filters that you can use and you can read the data. Getting it? Okay, speak. Okay. So everybody, are you all following this? Getting this? So your manager or your boss will always ask you, I want data about from which age group you have got most number of leads on which day of the month and which months of the year, right? And you can learn all of that here. You can explore all of the data here, and you can download this data whatever you see, and you can create beautiful dashboards or reports out of this. Clear? So you could see here for this account we have created so many audiences. Facebook upload CSV, we have data and we have uploaded Cars demographic audience. People who match interest. People who have interest in these cars. Look at this people who match interest. Mercedes Benz. Maybe I can click and show it to you how and what. So Bangalore HSR plus 20 kilometers surrounding, and the location we have included minimum age group. Exclude, we did not exclude anything. Advantage, age, gender. Okay, so look at this detailed targeting, demographics, work, employers, BMW. No, this is actually not needed. Just Audi vehicles. So this is good actually. This is of no use. See, there is no. See, they are doing PPF to high-end cars and showing it to audiences whomsoever are interested in Audi is fine because Audi is an high-end car. Additional interest Audi A1, Audi A3, Audi A5, Audi A6, right? There's so many cars selected. So this way we can select. So people who are interested in now, let's say Toyota. These are all vehicles. People who are interested in Infosys. People who are interested in movies, right? Star movies, Yahoo movies, Korean movies, Spider-Man movies, UTV. So you can do a targeting this way. Are you all getting this? See, but there is no guarantee somebody who is interested in Volkswagen owns a car. He or she may not be owning a car, but they have mentioned it as they are interested in Volkswagen, and there is no guarantee that they want to install a PPF for their cars. They must be showing interest in the car, but they are not interested in installing the PPF for their car. But this is specially about how to create audiences, and you can create any number of audiences like this under this audience section so that you can use the same audience list while launching the campaign. And this audience list can be also created while launching the campaign. While you are launching the campaign, you all know, right, that you have to see while when you launch a campaign you have to compulsorily pick the audience on social media platforms. If it is Google, if they are search campaigns, you have to input keywords. Here there is no keyword concept. You have to always pick the audiences, and those audiences you can create right away, right that moment while launching a campaign, or you can always pick the audiences from the created list. Whatever you have created here will show up while launching the campaign. So the first thing that you should be doing is creating the audiences, so that while launching the campaign the audiences whichever you have created here shows up over there. Clear? Any questions here, anybody? No one has questions? So billing and payments are very much similar to you adding a card details to your Uber app or Zomato app, something like that. So here you're going to enter billing details and couple of other details so that the invoices will be generated in the name of company. So what are the different kinds of settings that you have got here? Your advertising settings gives you access to features and recommendations based on your business and are used when you create ads for this ad account. So at the top level, we had seen this like how you create audiences, save your audience controls also while launching the campaign. We had seen this. So So you can exclude my business restricts advertising to some audiences to protect its brand. Use this audience control if you need to prevent showing your ads to people for brand protection reasons. So I don't want to show ads to people whomsoever exclude people who match such audience details. Search audience details that you need to exclude. Uh, maybe have audiences. Hello. Check. Hmm. జీవితాలు ఎంత నువ్వే మాట్లాడింది నువ్వు మాట్లాడిందో పేమెంట్ తీసుకున్నదో అంత నువ్వే నాకు తెలియదు నేను మాట్లాడాను exclude people who match no it is found nothing search audience details who need to exclude so which are the audiences we created. Okay, so such location my business can only advertise in specific locations. I can decide at the account level so that people, even if they launch a campaign targeting Australia, it would probably not display ads or don't consume anything at all. So at the very top level, you can control the audience's locations, right? So I'll turn it off for now. I just wanted to show you my business advertises age restricted goods or services, minimum age 18, minimum age. Okay. My business advertises age restricted goods or services. The default minimum age for ad delivery is 18. Use this control to set up higher age requirements. So you are putting a condition do not show ads. See, anyways, these are all available at the campaign level also. And at the top level, if you would like to do anything around it, you can do it. GPP affiliates. So for some reason, I don't see any kind of audiences here despite turning it off. My business does not show ads to its own employees. Okay, exclude your own employees. We can exclude people based on their employer, but this is based on the current workplace they provide on the profile. Okay, so there are different places the ads can be served, and they have given certain amount of control. Right, you can uncheck or check in these places. So these same things here, they have given the names. Campaign planner will look into this. So instant forms, ad reporting, meta brand collapse. So even before you spend, you can understand what kind of investment is needed and what kind of results you get. Plan a campaign using any objective ad formats and placement types. Client will be billed using the payment method on file for the selected ad account. Provide a few details about this plan. You can make changes later. Name plan and creating campaign for this ad. Okay, special ad category. So this is basically you are creating quickly an ad account campaign without much details. I have never used this feature. We don't use this feature. That's why Facebook page, development drive. The budget. So based on the inputs that you have provided, you will get a plan outcome for the inputs that I have given. So I have certain control over the target status, nothing because we'll see. My budget was very tiny, so that being the reason, seems not showing anything. I cannot even delete this. Let's see. So for some reason it's not populating the data for me. It's taking more time. Let's see. So this optional feature is not working for me. So this is all about, if you haven't explored all of these features or options ever, see, it's about sparing a time. Me going through would not really be really that helpful until unless you start going through each of this one by one and asking the questions. So all the messages can be read at one place, coming from the messenger or from the Instagram messages. Even if the WhatsApp is integrated, coming from the WhatsApp. Okay, Facebook comments. Okay, so you can basically manage. It's not like how you manage your individual Facebook and Instagram accounts, especially when there are messages coming from your ads or any other regular post. You can respond to them all here. So there are so many responses from people on both Facebook, Instagram, right? So all the leads received by you, and you can change the status of these leads: qualified, converted, not qualified, lost, delete lead, report lead, like a CRM. Okay. Excuse me. So for this client, we have received 309 leads in the last 2 3 months, and we can mark the status of these leads actually here itself. Okay, so it's qualified, converted, and if we need any additional stage, so maybe after conversion follow up stage, so or ask for the review, so all of it can be created, add stage, and maybe again I can add one more stage. So we can add multiple stages for the leads like this. So for example, I will mark this as qualified, and automatically it moves to qualified. I'll mark this as converted, and automatically that will move to converted, right? And what is this add stage? Add stage name. I think I can change the order as well. Add stage. Error while creating the stage. Enter stage name. I'll call this as simply feedback. Okay, maybe my account whether while creating, I'm not sure if my account has full permissions to create the stage. Abdul Kadir lost. Where did it go? Okay. Thirty one new leads. So we got leads today. Date added. Okay, after qualifying. Date. So based on the status that you mark, you get the status here. I mean, like the report here. You got three leads today. If you take for yesterday, five leads. So people whomsoever have worked on CRM will be able to relate all of this very well. Okay, how to manage on all of this. Okay, so a reminder can be set, a notes can be added against the lead, right? So if you are monetizing your content, you will be able to see all of the data here under this monetization section. In-stream ads are short ads you can include in your video to earn money. Stars are a virtual good that let you earn money and interact with your followers. Meta pays for the stars that you receive. So you must have seen, right, give stars for the content. Have you all observed it on Facebook? Giving stars to the video. So if you are giving stars to that video, they'll be earning money, the video creator. Got it, everyone? At least you must have seen that stars, right? You can earn money on original, well-performing content. This includes eligible public reels, videos, photos, and text. So track earnings all in one place. Keep content front and center. Learn more from your success. Stars. So somebody who is planning to monetize their content, they have to use this option. They have to enable getting stars for their videos. That's when they'll start earning. How to stay up to date with the branded content policies. It's like protecting your content. If you are the original creator of the content, so you will be adding a specific tag to that content. So if anybody uses that content or a tag pertaining to it or something like that, automatically the platform or algorithm identifies that as a duplicate. They have built some mechanism. So this is not related to all of this is not related to running ads on the platform. So I'm skipping this. Yeah, that's pretty much, guys. We have covered most of them that's needed for you to run the ads. Mainly the first thing, the first few minutes that we discussed today, the first half about the audiences, elimination of the audience groups, the top level settings. Those are the crucial, important features for you to run the ads. And rest of them are like in case if you are working on monetizing the content, there are various other features. Any questions? Any questions, guys? One thing I request all of you to go to the Meta Business Suite Facebook.business. Sorry, business.facebook.com. or even at least the ads manager.facebook.com. Explore everything that's available over there, whatever you think it's important for you. Explore and come back, we'll discuss further on it. Okay. Yeah, because you won't be able to even relate if you're not really laying your hands into it. Okay. So spare some time.
Manju, business, this suit and ad manager, both are same thing or both are
See,
different?
ad manager is a subset of business.facebook.com. So business.facebook.com has lot many options or features needed for a business. So ad manager is explicitly only about ads. So for example, in the business suite, we have now seen content creators can monetize their content, right? And
Uh,
there are various other options like the inbox thing, all the messages at one place. So the meta manager meta.facebook.com, sorry, the ad manager.facebook.com, so you will not see all of that over there.
okay. So we should create ID in the suit only, right? Like,
Yes. So that is ad manager, right? One second. All tools. So this is only, I'll show it to you. Which AdWords Manager. AdWords Manager, see, look at this. AdWords Manager is a subset or a small feature of the business.facebook.com. You see here, there's so many other things, even the Events Manager, which we haven't explored. AdWords Manager is all about like Google Merchant Center, how we list products at one place and pull into the ads. Same happens here with the commerce as well. You'll be listing all the products here. You'll be pulling the same products to your ads, or you can upload in the Excel sheet also. Okay. Platform, it's going to be all very easy, simple, and if you're not exploring, it looks like a. Okay, look at this. This is only about ads. It has nothing extra apart from that. Adsmanager.facebook.com speaks only about the ads. It's loading. Just hold on. Yeah. So look at the options which we have already learned for today. So they're all campaigns, ads reporting, audiences, billing and payment, advertising settings. That's all. And this is the same thing. This is which we have seen here. So they have given an option for you to explore these things again, like business. Whatever you see in the business, you see the same over there in the all tools. Okay. So we can look into other things in the upcoming classes. So meanwhile, you all please sign up for an account and start exploring. It's all going to be fun if you could get started now and start understanding. Okay. So some of them want to leave now, so I'm winding up for today. Okay, guys.